Hey, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. If you're a gadget lover like us, you're in for a treat today. We've rounded up the top 10 coolest gadgets that are going to blow your mind. From futuristic wearables to cutting-edge smart devices, these gadgets are a must-have for anyone who loves all things tech. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's dive in. 10. Sony FE2470mm. The Sony FE2470mm is a versatile, high-performance standard zoom lens designed for Sony's full-frame E-mount cameras. As part of Sony's G Master series, it offers outstanding image quality, combining sharpness, contrast, and beautiful background bokeh. Its constant f/2.8 aperture ensures consistent exposure and depth of field control throughout the zoom range, making it ideal for a wide variety of shooting conditions, from landscapes to portraits to low-light scenes. The lens construction features 18 elements in 13 groups, including extra-low dispersion and aspherical elements to minimize chromatic aberration and distortion. The nano IR coating helps reduce flare and ghosting, while the 9-blade circular aperture enhances the smoothness of out-of-focus areas. 9. Lark Self-Cleaning Water Bottle. The Lark Self-Cleaning Water Bottle is an innovative hydration solution that utilizes advanced UVC LED technology to purify water and maintain a clean interior. By emitting UVC light, the bottle neutralizes up to 99% of harmful bacteria and viruses, ensuring safe drinking water without the need for traditional filters or chemicals. Constructed from double-walled stainless steel, the LRQ bottle offers insulation that keeps beverages cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours. Its self-cleaning function activates every 2 hours, preventing the buildup of biocontaminants and odors. The bottle is available in various sizes and colors, catering to different preferences and lifestyles. It's advisable to check with local retailers or online marketplaces that offer international shipping. 8. Neo SmartPen M1 Plus. The Neo SmartPen M1 Plus is a cutting-edge digital writing instrument that bridges the gap between traditional handwriting and modern technology. Designed to look and feel like a regular pen, it provides users with a familiar writing experience while simultaneously converting handwritten notes into digital format. The pen uses an optical sensor to capture your handwriting on special N-code-embedded paper, which is then transferred via Bluetooth to the Neo Studio app on your smartphone or tablet. This allows for real-time digitization, making it easy to store, edit, and organize your notes. With a lightweight design of 17.9 grams and a comfortable grip, the M1 Plus is ideal for long writing sessions. Its battery lasts up to 6.5 hours of continuous use and features an automatic on/off function for energy efficiency. The pen is compatible with Android, iOS, and Windows devices. 7. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. The Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2 is a high-tech solution for coffee and tea lovers who want to enjoy their hot drinks at the perfect temperature. With a sleek, minimalist design, the mug allows users to set their ideal drinking temperature between 120 degrees Fahrenheit and 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius to 63 degrees Celsius using the Ember app, available on both iOS and Android devices. Once set, the mug keeps the drink at this precise temperature for up to 1.5 hours on its built-in battery, or indefinitely when placed on its charging coaster. Constructed from durable stainless steel and finished with a ceramic coating, the Ember Mug 2 is both stylish and practical. It comes in two sizes -10 ounces and 14 ounces to suit different preferences. The smart features extend to an auto-sleep function, which activates when the mug is empty or inactive, conserving battery power. 6. WiseCam Pan V3. The WiseCam Pan V3 is a versatile security camera designed to deliver comprehensive surveillance for both indoor and outdoor environments. One of its standout features is its 360 degrees horizontal pan and 180 degrees vertical tilt, enabling users to monitor wide areas with ease. These movements can be controlled remotely through the Wise app, making it convenient to adjust the camera's view in real time. Additionally, the camera is rated IP65, meaning it is weather-resistant and suitable for outdoor use when paired with the Wise Outdoor Power Adapter View. The Wisecam Pan V3 is equipped with a starlight sensor that offers enhanced color night vision, providing clear footage even in low light conditions. It also features motion tracking, automatically following moving objects in its field of view. Users can set custom detection zones to focus on specific areas, minimizing false alerts. 5. Anchor Nebula Capsule Projector. The Anchor Nebula Capsule is a compact, portable projector designed for on-the-go entertainment, offering a powerful and convenient solution for projecting movies, videos, and presentations wherever you are. About the size of a soda can, the Nebula Capsule combines portability with impressive performance, featuring a 100-inch screen projection at 360p resolution. Despite its small size, the projector delivers a bright, clear image with 200 lumens of brightness, making it suitable for indoor use in low-light environments. This mini projector runs on Android 7.1, allowing users to stream content directly from popular services like Netflix, YouTube, and more via built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. 4. PivoPod Active. The PivoPod Active is a versatile and innovative smart camera accessory designed to help users create dynamic, professional-quality content with ease. This motorized smartphone mount uses advanced motion tracking technology to automatically follow and capture the subject, making it an ideal tool for vloggers, content creators, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who needs hands-free camera movement. The PivoPod Active rotates 360 degrees and can track movements in real time, allowing for smooth and seamless shots as the user moves around. It also includes customizable features like auto zoom, which adjusts the framing to keep the subject perfectly centered in the shot, as well as multiple modes like 360 degrees panorama, time-lapse, and tracking shots. Designed for active users, the PivoPod Active is lightweight, portable, and easy to set up, making it great for both indoor and outdoor use. 3. Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6. The Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 is a premium Bluetooth speaker known for its stylish design and exceptional sound quality. It features a sleek, contemporary look with a circular shape and high-quality materials, including a fabric grille and a solid base. The speaker's powerful audio performance includes deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, delivering an immersive listening experience. The Onyx Studio 6 is equipped with a 50W wireless output, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, providing clear, room-filling sound in various environments. In terms of functionality, the Onyx Studio 6 supports Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity, allowing easy pairing with smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices. It also supports dual pairing, meaning two speakers can be connected simultaneously for an enhanced sound experience. 2. LumeCube 2.0. The LumeCube 2.0 is a compact, versatile lighting solution designed for content creators, photographers, and videographers. Known for its powerful performance in a small package, the LumeCube 2.0 offers adjustable brightness levels from 0 to 100%, allowing users to customize the lighting to suit their needs. It delivers up to 1500 lumens of brightness, providing ample lighting even in low-light conditions. The LumeCube 2.0 is equipped with Bluetooth functionality, enabling users to control the light settings via the LumeCube app. This includes adjusting the brightness, color temperature, ranging from 3000. 1. Simo Solis Lite 4G. The Simo Solis Lite 4G is a compact and portable mobile hotspot designed for travelers, remote workers, and anyone in need of reliable internet access while on the go. Weighing just 139 grams and with a size of only 88 millimeters in diameter, it easily fits into a bag, making it an excellent travel companion. This device allows users to connect up to 10 devices at once and supports 4G LTE connectivity in over 135 countries, offering seamless and fast internet. And that's a wrap on our top 10 coolest gadgets that are going to blow your mind. There's something for everyone. Which gadget was your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay techie!